Hi. Hey, wait. It's on record.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is so cool.
Yeah.
Is that the song? No, it's not. It's Hey Mama. I'm stupid.
Yeah. Okay, you are.
I think.
Sorry about that.
Okay, this is getting started retarded.
Then
Okay.
okay,
Hey
then.
Mama, I gotta do all this all over again.
Hold this.
Okay, hang on. Hey, whoops, that's horrible. Hey, oops, Mama, black eye. Wow, I put a we instead of I.
Nice. Hold this.
Wait, I'm trying to type in something.
No, you're not.
And it's kind of pretty hard on a little keyboard like this.
No, it's not.
Search. Well, to me it is, because I'm used to a big one. That's good for now. And that's my DS.
Rain.
Yes, Rain, thank you.
Peace out. Husket. Hold the
On
camera.
here, it's little Husket's like really awesome. It's Emma with a sombrero.
I like this song.
Me too.
You funk it.
Sorry. Shake that thing. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
We can really videotape my
Here. Yes, I would.
Oh my god.
Okay, so this is one of my friend Allison's things.
Yeah.
And today was the last day at school. I'm like, no! She taught me so many things.
Nice. Okay, well,
Oh, that was the end of that song.
come here. Come here.